Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gardening in containers. Let's go. This is what I'm going to use as my gardening container. It's a beer crate that broke, and I cut the inside out with that spade. It's not as clean as I'd like it to be, but it's better than nothing, I guess. So what we're planting in this box is parsley, and I'm trying to get the spacing right. So I did leave the parsley in a bit too long, and the roots are very long, as you can see. This is my DIY watering can. Just get the lid of a Coke bottle and poke a few holes, and you sort it. I'm also gonna plant some bush beans also in a container. These are the seeds I saved from last year, and this is the container that I'm gonna use. It is a 20, or we can say 10. It's half 10 liter, half uh half a paint tin. Yeah, half a paint tin, and yeah, I'm gonna use that to plant my bush beans in. See if it grows. It is tomorrow's the 1st of August. September is on the way, guys. Spring is on the way. Let's go. Now, when I'm sowing the beans, I don't really worry about spacing because the bush beans they grow good in almost anywhere in the garden. Yeah, let's get to it. So when you sow them in the garden, what you want to do is you want to plant them about finger depth, about this deep. You can see my finger this deep. So I do that, and I'm done. And I come next one, drop finger deep, hold finger deep. As you can see, let's continue. That's another look good. The rest of this will go straight into the garden, but not now. Hopefully in a few weeks we will see some growth. So the reason I used wood at the bottom of the containers is so that I don't have to use too much sand, because the sand is coming straight from my garden and I don't want too much holes in my garden. So if you like this kind of content, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed, liked, or commented. See you next time. Peace.